Bankruptcy is really shaping up to be the Super Bowl of litigation. The costs to just the city could be more than $100 million. And the quarterback of the team, of course, is emergency manager Kevin Orr. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kirshner is live right now, and he talked with Orr about his war he's about to tackle. Jim.
Yeah, he's a former bankruptcy attorney. Remember, he resigned from his law firm, Jones Day, in Washington, D.C. to come here to City Hall to be emergency manager. But his old firm had a contract until September, 6 months, for only $3.3 million. He says they are going to stay on well beyond that. They're going to earn a lot of money, probably tens of millions of dollars, but he is not apologizing.
The reality is nobody works for free. Certainly nobody on the other side that we're up against. And I know some of the attorneys on the other side, and they're some of the best in the country.
Behind the big news going around the world that the Motor City is in bankruptcy, the big legal battle on both sides. We'll see them in and out of court.
It'll be a contest, and some of our stakeholders will follow that game trail. You know, I've read their playbook. There'll be calls about how unfair it is and it's biased, and then there'll be calls for people to take to the street and object. And you guys have heard this resonance, this harmonic again and again and again. Frankly, in this environment, it's a little tired.
We caught only a public glimpse of the 9 different consulting firms working for Kevin Orr during negotiations with creditors.
I have a very thin staff. I've got 4 people on my staff. I didn't come in here as an emergency manager and staff up with 30 or 70 people and have all these jobs and hire friends that I know.
On the other side, the 2 largest creditors are the 2 employee pension systems, starting litigation before the Chapter 9 bankruptcy filing to keep from losing $3.5 billion in underfunding. That would be cuts to some 20,000 Detroit City retirees' pensions by amounts still not known.
We have employees and retirees that have worked their careers, bargaining for exchange in lieu of pay, retirement benefits. It's a form of compensation during their period of employment. They retire with a promise that this benefit is guaranteed under the Constitution.
And here's another indication how big this case will get. Just today, the day after it's been filed, some 24 attorneys have registered their appearances on behalf of the parties involved. We're live downtown. Jim Kirshner, 7 Action News.